Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your favorite girl Sylvia, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to do aloe vera oil. So with this oil we are going to be using two methods. I know you've been seeing some methods on YouTube and you've tried it out too, but I'm going to be showing you two new methods. So stay tuned, watch till the end. And if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, give this video a like, and also comment in the comment section. And if you're already a G, welcome back to the channel. You know how we do it: like, comment and share. So to start with, all I'm going to do is cut my aloe vera into pieces with the back. I am not going to extract the juice from it. The first method is I'm going to use the aloe vera with the back to do the oil. So this is the first method, and I'm going to use coconut oil, and the next oil is going to be sunflower oil. So for this, you can use any sunflower oil of your choice, any sunflower. I'm going to use the one we used to cook for this method. After pouring my oil on it, I'm just going to blend it, then sieve it. This can be a little bit messy because it is sticky, so I'm just going to use spoon to aid the sieving. And also, if you know about this method already, let me know in the comment section. And this is the first time you are seeing this, let me also know in the comment section. This is actually good for people with low porosity because it actually goes for the sky. It's not that heavy that is going to block your hair follicles. It's just light. And the second method I'm going to be showing you is going to be thicker than this, and that is for people with high porosity. So the second method, I have to extract the juice from the aloe vera. This I did it off camera because I didn't want the video to be too lengthy, so I did it off camera. Extract the juice from the aloe vera, just the white one inside, and then add your shea butter. So that's white thing in the spoon, it is shea butter. Add it to it, and you know shea butter is solid at room temperature, so that is why it's looking like that. So all I'm going to do is just blend the shea butter and my aloe vera together. Because I'm going to blend it, I decided to use my spoon to mix it and make it a bit finer, like small before I blend it. So after blending it, this is how it looks. Then microwave it for 30 seconds. This is our aloe vera, and let me know your thoughts about how you prefer your aloe vera oil to be done, and if you've ever tried this method before. If you're new, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share the video to all your social platforms and your friends. Until I see you guys in my next video with another exciting video, guys. Bye.